mungongo, ewe to mungongo, maitu na hii, maina liaka, mwana mumasaba, akenda Roma, injo yete bandu, tomu yete bandu, injo yete bandu, Germany, Polandiroti, Ngoma National, Polytechnic, Nelizangaro, Uchamo makaniza, Benyato Mungongo, Uchamo makaniza, Benyato Mungongo, wana pota pota, Benyato Mungongo, wana pota pota, Benya obayete, mama mboka, wanajua kali, tomu bagwenya, gongo bagwenya, mwana wabazakali, ewe maundu, ewe mumaboni, injoyete bandu, wamiratai, tomu ngongo, sikora shipu, wana gozo mianga, benyo zomye, obirego, sake birora bana bewe tawe, nalio polu zikuku, Sami Simiyu, Sitivo Wafula, Jenny na Simiyu, Nende Diana na Fura, Aborali, Muhore la Mara zinduzi maana sana uche sukuli, Neza bali bongene tawe, Vane nyoba tendaya, Wesangaro wadi, Nende mubunga mabuomo zikwa uchumura, Noja ureto mzori na boranga kama hoza kama na ikongene, Saba sacha, Shika,
Abo mwana muzi wajota, Hakuwale ule mwami, Do mungongo, Omusore ruyali no kumusumbi bana befwe, Nomutayalo mangali, Akakabe kagendo, Okabonela kulugonja bana befwe, Arumurukiniye, Abechanga taira kitawa Tomalia Limited bana befwe bungoma, Emboko tomu, Tiliawe nao, Okuja kuchieriasi, Bandu bekitinda, bekitinda, beshangwe, enye beshangwe, besangalo, sangalo, beluyere, bebulondo, balito mungongo, mu Rwanda, mushaka, ojaye shaka, bewera, enye baluya, eweto mungongo, omusakarumo maeso, omumaundu mumbaboni, eweyeta bandu, maiba chikanisa, okabale khata, oyeta kimikanda, oyeta pota pota, bichana bano, maiba na mulehwa, balito mungongo, ewe wangale, chikanisa chino, no jamo, balito mungongo, balito muwangongo, mwana wa Paulo, oyo niyo ukumbukanga, Mheshimiwa Tomu.
Company, we do brand t-shirts, banners, ID cards, we do scanning in documents, and we do branding for any document you want to do. We welcome you all. We are at Bungoma County. Inside Bungoma County, we do branding. We have better machines for branding. Even if you want stickers for your phone, we have here. We do all that you want to be done for you. We have a very big company. This is one of them, and we will welcome you. Don't forget, it's Tomalia Limited only that do branding, quality branding, just for you. We welcome you guys in Tomalia Limited company. Don't forget a brander called John. Welcome. Tomalia Limited company is a very big company. We do deal with even chemicals. If you want to be supplied with chemicals, laboratory chemicals, we welcome you, bro. We have a very big company of chemical and supply. If you want to get us, do this. Call us from 07 16 18 90 26. We welcome you. We do all services as you want. Even photography, passports, reflectors. We have all for you. Welcome, brother. Welcome, sister. Welcome, gentlemen. Welcome, ladies. We welcome you. We have our best cameraman called Alex, and he is one of our best branders. Msanii, common name as Alex. Nufanyia vitu hapa, very quality things. Tunakupenda sana msanii Alex, our brander. Tuko na duka lingine. Our best shop is one of Tomalia Limited companies, ambaye ni My Tom, as common name My Tom. Anatufanyia kazi in salon, best scrubbing. Anafanya kazi na anadili na nywele. Mtu ambaye ni mzuri sana, Catherine Mainya, our best lady, beautiful maker. Anaweza kufanya kazi mzuri sana, anapaka kope, anakuwekea mafuta. Ni mama mzuri sana. One of Tomalia Limited companies ambaye anafanya na sisi. Karibuni sana kwa kufanya na Tomalia Limited company. Kumbuka namba ni 07 16 18 90 na 26. Tutafute, tutapatikana. Unataka picha, unataka CD making, unataka video shooting, karibu sana kwa Tomalia Limited company. We welcome you, brothers. We welcome you, sisters. Karibu tufanye pamoja.